this open?
Cage, what is that?
Now what?
What is she trying to tell us? Cage, I'm missing something.
They said they knew what was best for us.
Booker?
They said they knew what was coming next.
Booker!
Did you see this coming, old man?
Okay, we
Did
gotta
you
get
see
ready.
this coming,
I think they mean to
Robert?
board us.
You ain't gonna place your daughter on the floor.
bird.
We're gonna place her in a ring.
What are you doing?
We have to sing to him!
Sing to who? Elizabeth, stop it!
C-A-G-E! It's not a word, Booker! It's a song! Shh, it's okay. I'm here. Will you help me? I need you to protect me. Will you do it? Will you do this for me? Just this one last thing. Please. Go. Go. Booker, he'll help us. We can use him against the Box fleet.